Folks, Sergei Lemberg. I'm a lemon lawyer. I've been doing this for 20 years. Quick update about 2023 Chevy Colorado. These cars have a lot of problems. There's some reports of electrical problems on the Chevy. There are issues with the emergency braking system. It seems to go off on its own without any warning or explanation. Consumers are also complaining about the blind spot detection system, and as always on GM cars, all kinds of electrical issues from knobs to turn signals. Now, there's no major complaints about the engine, but with GM, you never know, another year or two, and we may have something else. If your car has been in repair for a couple of weeks or more, or the same thing has been fixed more than a couple of times, you might want to check with a lawyer about a breach of warranty, a lemon law claim. Make sure you document everything and have a repair order in place. Give us a call. We'll be happy to help. Free consultation, 844-685-7800, or drop us an email.